What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Samson. Today I'm taking delivery of a car I just won at Copart Louisiana. I'm actually located in DFW, Texas, so I haven't seen the car in person, but in pictures the damage doesn't look that bad, so it's finger crossed. The transporter just called me earlier. He should be here around 4, and I think it's currently is 3:58, so hopefully he'll be here soon. So stay tuned and we'll see. So today's a new day. For some reason my GoPro stopped working right after the transporter loaded off my car. So it's working now. I already did the walk around with the car, check out the damage and everything, but let me show you guys how bad is the damage, the interior, the engine bay, and everything else. So let's go. Alright guys, so here it is, my 2005 Lexus LS430. That black interior. Sorry if you guys can't hear me because my AC is on, but the main damage is right here. It's not too bad. I'll need a fender, bumper, headlight. This is reusable. This side is also damaged. It's probably reusable, or I'll probably find another fender and replace it. There's a little damage here. A little bit over here, but like I said, this is the main damage. It's not too bad. It is clean title. And then we open this up. Nothing bent here, so it's pretty straight. So it's not too bad. The car is definitely super dirty. It's definitely been parked under a tree for a while. New battery. This car does have 62,000 miles. Timing belt and water pump been replaced at 56,000 miles. Close this up. But yeah, it's not too bad. Got that black interior. This interior is actually pretty dirty. I already vacuumed it and cleaned it on the same day when I got my car. Navigation, no cracked dash, armrest is perfect, driver's seat, no rip, no check engine light, back seat, super clean. And if you guys didn't know, there's actually seat warmers buttons for the rear, and there's a mirror on both sides. Super roomy. There's a little sunshade in the back, and let me show you guys the trunk. Super big trunk. So I haven't cleaned the trunk yet, so it's super dirty. Let me clean all this out. Definitely need to clean the trunk, probably shampoo it, use a vacuum extractor or something. All the mats. But yeah, what do you guys think? Clean title, 62,000 miles. Damage isn't too bad. Simple fix. But next I'll probably give a car a wash. I'm done cleaning the car. Clean all the leaves out. It's not perfect. Don't worry about too much about the front because I'm gonna take everything apart. I also cleaned the door jambs. There was a bunch of spiders and some gunk and stuff. So clean everything out. The back. Everything is super clean. Trunk. Like I said, it's not perfect, but most likely I will clean everything again. The trunk, I haven't touched the trunk yet because most likely I will throw some random parts here, temporary. Alright, so let's recap what I used today. I used the shop vacuum. I used the pressure washer, and for all the door jam and stuff, I used the citrus power cleaner along with the detail brush. And for soap, I used the McGuire wash and wax. So this is just a basic wash. When the car is done, I'll definitely clean the car again, detail and everything. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna start taking things apart, see what I need, start ordering parts. But yeah, if you like this video, please hit that like button, comment below what you guys think about the car, and please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, peace.